Yo, so today's video is me trying to explain what we do. So a lot of people are like, hey Ben, what's Digital Dreams? What do you do? How do you, I'm always like, oh, well, we put TVs on walls, or have you ever seen a menu board at a restaurant? We do that. It's like, I see people's minds like just boggling, like, what? I don't really understand what you do. So today we're gonna try to show you better than I can explain to you. So when we say we do surveillance, here's some examples of surveillance installs that we've done. Here's an example of some facial recognition 4K surveillance cameras. Here's some digital signage inside a retail shop. This is inside Hugo Boss. They have TVs behind a mirror in this building. We got TV behind this wooden wall. We have TVs on wall, TVs in wall. Here's another form of digital signage. This fixture is called the digital poster. It's a freestanding fixture that will house a TV portrait style. Here's an example of an LCD video wall. So when we say LCD video walls, this is what we're talking about. This install was with the last install we did before the pandemic hit. This is a 3x3 planar LCD wall. This is another after-hour project of a whole bunch of other media that we'd installed downstairs. We've installed TVs all over the place in crazy places. We have even installed in elevators. We install projectors. We have a motorized screen. Here's an example of an AV rack we installed. In this rack we are housing a surveillance system, a surround sound system, and half of his network for his building. So here we are installing some commercial audio speakers, in-ceiling speakers, on-wall speakers. We install surround sound speakers. Yes, here's another example of audio installs. This is a sound masking system that plays just white noise throughout the whole building. Sound masking speakers are used to mask private conversations inside one working area. So right here, this is an example of an LED video wall. So when I say, oh, we do LED video walls, here's an example of one of the ones that we do. This is one we did in Minnesota. This is one we did in San Francisco. Here's a few locations that we have installed all around San Francisco. So now that we've shown you what we do in our explainer video here, if you are in need of any of these services, hit us up on our website, links in the description. I'll see you on the next time. Later. Yeah, we pretty much did everything over there, and we did everything over there. Hung all 19 screens by myself.